Hello, this is Americana. Hello, idol. Hello mga guys. This is Americana and my passenger and also the back at the back. Very beautiful, pretty. Okay. Just comment. This is a pretty or this one? All pretty for me. Hello guys. Comment and like, please. Was the very beautiful. I think the tree like a tree sister. Huh? Always smiling. You see? Always smiling. What's your name again?
My name.
This one.
I'm Gabby. That's Sienna.
This one.
Sienna.
Siada. And this one?
Abby.
Hello. You say hello.
Hello.
Hello guys. You
Hi
see?
guys.
Please like and share, comment.
Please like and comment.
This is the girl always from England, guys. From England. I will meet to in Southwest Terminal. She's going to Fair Trace. This one, oh. This guys, this front.
I don't know what's
She's always smile. Oh. What did you say? The followers and viewers. You talking?
I don't know what to say. What? Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Hey, because me, I'm Bossy Vlogs in my Facebook.
Wow.
So that's why I'm what's that? I'm interview. Because sometimes always smile, oh. The back. Thank you for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay.